What's up, everybody, and welcome to my page. My name is Dominique, and welcome to Marketing with the Dom. I'm an OnlyFans coach. I got blessed to meet someone who's powerful in the industry about 7 months ago. She's making anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 a month, and I brought her up to that point, which was just amazing. And now I'm trying to give as much of this information as I can for free. This is an OnlyFans how to start from the start. Like, how do you start from the start? Imagine if you got into this, if you do have a little bit of following, you have a little bit more advantage. But the first thing I would tell you to do is to get signed up, get all your stuff ready for the bank account stuff, get some photos and videos, your cover photo on there, and your profile photo. Please make sure if you're listening to this, do write it down. Get your regular photo looking nice, get your cover photo looking nice, and get yourself a really good couple photos and maybe a video or two, depending on how far or whatever you want to put on there. Bam. Then start promote it. The reason why I say that is because if you spend too much time trying to wonder what people want in content, this is a customer service business. Imagine if you have a content that you know you're going to put out, then that's what you put out. And if people aren't excited for it, that's fine. But if you want to get started, the best way to do it is to start promoting it. And you're like, I have nothing. This doesn't make any sense for me. Find someone on the platform that looks just similar to you and start engaging with the guys that they're not spending time with. This is the biggest platform girls think, and guys and couples that I've seen who did well in this. They just think they can just post and people are going to come running through the gate like superhumans. That's not the case. You got to have a little bit of a system to it. You know, this is for beginner stage 1 right here. So if you're watching this, this is like you're just getting started. I'm trying to make my first $100, $200 a month, maybe $1,000 a month, right? You just need to get started. You need to push. You need to figure out what prices people are going to pay for. I do my courses, and the people and the girls that I train with, you can always come find me and ask me questions. I'm at GOMLMGMT. That's management on Instagram. You can also just comment down below and find me. I'll tag you. I'm really engaged with the people who are on here who actually engage. And I want to change the way that this business is being looked at, period, because I think that the adult industry is getting into it a lot, and then people just aren't respectful and giving out good information. So I want to provide something that's completely different than anyone else. I'm building out a powerhouse agency. It's going to start off with a power OnlyFans, doing shout out for shout out, but we're going to be able to grow into a full-fledged agency when it comes down to getting brands and stuff like that. But we have to be able to generate and actually create a wave of people who understand the same goal. And I want to be in this industry giving respect and not having to make girls jump through loops and hoops to try to grow their fans and have true other girls and other people trying to help you grow. To me, that matters the most. So if you like what I have to say and you're down to join me or whatever, I think I probably have my link down below for you to apply to join with the team. I have quite a bit of applies, but I'm looking for some people who are smart and want to just really grow, who look, you know, the part in the way and is ready to go. But I'm telling you, when people say look the part, don't judge yourself. I tell people all the time, the look the part means to me is like you believe in your confidence of yourself and what you're going to do, and it's not about always trying to be cute or if you look nice, but you know this is what you are, this is what you're going to provide to the table. That to me is looking the part, like that part, looking the part of what you are. I love getting on this platform with you guys. I try not to make these super long videos. I appreciate you. If this did not help, please comment down below. Tell me what I can help you with, because to me that's very powerful. If it did help, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe on the bottom below. I appreciate everyone that's on here. Until next time, I'll see you later.